All right, another brew day. It's a sad one. I'm all alone. As you can see, our beer board, we're pretty low on beer. It's getting to be spring and summer. Want a nice session beer to drink. So today's beer is the single hop Lemondrop Session IPA. This hop is something I've never used before. It's been around for a couple of years. It's supposed to have a citrusy aroma. Obviously, I'm assuming some hint of lemon. I've also heard melon and kind of a tea-like flavor. So really interested to see how this works. So here we are crushing 6 pounds of Pilsner, 1.5 pounds of flaked oats, and 1 pound of flaked barley. Typically, I wouldn't crush the flaked oats or the flaked barley, but the homebrew shop just put everything in one bag, which is fine. We're brewing this beer in Clawhammer's 10.5 gallon system. It's a digital, electric, all-in-one brewing system. We're gonna mash for 60 at 152. So we've been mashing at 152 for 60 minutes. We just brought the controller temperature from 152 up to 170 for our mash out. And we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes, mash out for 10 minutes, and then we will move on with the brew day. Mash out, mash your face. So pump off. Ball valve close. Not too bad. All right, here we're hooking up the wort chiller, and we're gonna let this recirculate for the last 10 minutes of the boil to kill anything that could be living, even though we do clean these thoroughly. Turn the pump on. Our 60-minute boil is finished. Our plate chiller is sanitized. We're gonna go ahead and chill the wort down to 165 and add our hops. Here we are adding 4 ounces of the Lemondrop hop. We've been recirculating for 20 minutes, whirlpooling, hop standing, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna go ahead, turn the cooling water back on. Transfer that in. She's a soupy one. Real pea green. Sanitized the bag a little bit earlier, so should be good to go. I'm just gonna dump the whole packet in. We're gonna aerate it for 30 seconds. We're shaking just to get some oxygen in there. That keeps the yeast happy, and that's what we like. Happy yeast. So it looks like our starting gravity is gonna be 1042, which is pretty much exactly what we were looking for. All right, today's Wednesday. I'm gonna go ahead and dry hop this on Friday before we leave for the weekend. That'll give it a couple days to get fermentation started. Then we're gonna add some hops, and then I will go ahead and take the hops out on Monday and then let it continue to finish fermentation. Fermentation and beyond. All right, we're gonna try the single hop Lemondrop. It's got a really nice color, a little bit of haziness going on, which is kind of what we were after. Let's look at the board. It looks like it's 4.2%, and let's see how she goes. I mean, I can see why they came up with the name Lemondrop. Super citrusy, definitely lots of lemon notes. Man, it's a crushable, definitely a crushable summer beer for sure. It's really good. No perceived off flavors, definitely tons of citrus, definitely get that lemon aroma. Perfect for summer, only 4.2%. You can have a few with some friends and not be hammered. Perfect for yard work. So I don't know, definitely brew it. Thanks for watching the videos, and we will catch you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, like, leave us some comments, let us know what you're brewing, how we're brewing. If you're better than us, let us know. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll have another video out shortly for you. Cheers. She's a goodie.